200 likes.
200 likes, and I'm gonna throw a baseball at him.
He's gonna throw a baseball at me. We're gonna see
Or
how well
we'll
this will. How well? No, we'll do a baseball. It's a little smaller.
Okay.
I guess it'll probably hurt more, but
yeah,
I will be wearing.
Especially
a cup,
where
though.
I'm gonna throw it at.
Nothing. We got some crazy stuff going on today. We're getting ready to actually drive to the hospital. So baby Alvin can be born. So we're pretty excited. But also what we're kind of excited about here as well is obviously installing a car seat for the first time. But using something to protect your seat before you put the baby seat in, because you don't want that to sit in there for a year or two and then leave these imprints.
Indents, yeah. Indents.
And so you try to sell your car later on or something like that, and you'll be like, I can't sell my car because of my seat. Dang. So we're trying to protect that. Obviously, protect the investment, protect your car. So yeah, let's actually do a quick unboxing of this guy.
Unbagging.
Unbagging, I guess. That's not even unboxed. Sorry, guys. It's an unbagging. But it's been a nice day today. It's about 85 degrees today, so it's not too bad.
Like 70-ish in the
Yeah,
shade.
70 in the shade, so it's not bad. Alright, actually I had it the right way. So, the idea, this will go around the headrest, and this will go to the bottom of the car, and then you have like little holders for different things in there. So, doesn't look too bad. It looks like it goes a little, okay, that was a mistake, but cool. So this will go inside. Baby seat will sit on here. It's actually what, 1/4 inch thick? So yeah.
Yeah, 1/4 inch thick.
So obviously red stitching to match the car, obviously. Make it
GM
nice.
tight.
Yeah. So, but it's called Gimars? Gimars? Is it Gimars? Gimars?
Looks like Gimars to me.
Gimars.
Or Jimmers.
Jimmers?
Jimmers.
I don't know. You guys can correct us in the comments below, but but anyway, it's kind of like having a little welding suit. I think that's a good idea. We'll have to go 200 likes.
200 likes, and I'm gonna throw a baseball at him.
He's gonna throw a baseball at me. We're gonna see
Or
how well
softball,
this will. How well? No, we'll do a baseball. It's a little smaller.
Okay.
I guess it'll probably hurt more, but
Yeah.
I will be wearing
Especially
a cup,
where
though.
I'm gonna throw it at.
Nothing. But I will keep my hands out of the way, and we will see how crazy. How much protection this will provide for a baseball. 200 likes, guys.
200 likes.
Challenge has
Challenge
been set,
accepted.
and it's been set. Also, keep in mind we have a secondary channel going. We'll put that up on a card here.
First time of cycling.
Yep. So we'll be cycling all around the San Fernando Valley and LA, showing you the best spots. So
Kind of like vlog style. You could, if you watch it, you'll hear us just talking crap to each other. Just riding, just having fun.
And we'll have some competitions because I want to do some calorie burns and see how long it takes to, we'll say, burn like 500 to 1,000 calories, and then maybe bump that up to 3,000 to 5,000 calories, and see if we can do that, and maybe even get up to 10,000 calories one day.
Yeah,
that'd be crazy. But we'll
doable.
Yeah. But anyway,
Eventually,
guys.
yeah. But anyways,
we got off topic, but we'll throw the seat in. We'll start all that process here, and yeah, we'll see what we can do.
All right.
All right. So I'm gonna put that little flap in first. You see it?
I can't see anything right now.
Oh, you can't pull it?
I can't see anything.
Okay, that's fine. It's in there.
Wait.
Okay, so this one, obviously, you can see that it can actually go around the seat. Thank you, Dodge, for making it so simple. And boom, look at that. Already looks better. Cool. Like it. All right, now. All right, so now it looks like we got the seat in. Oh. I think it's good. All right, so we're gonna push this back down again here. That should tighten it. All right, now it feels nice and snug there. That feels good. And then the baby seat going in. Make sure that's there. And that's in. All right, so the baby has its own little racing harness. Lock in. Lock in. And it's all locked in. And then baby can get some shade, shut eye. And the seat has its padding. Cool. You guys just saw how easy that was. It wasn't too bad. We ended up, you know, changing our mind about having it on the side, just because if you get T-boned, baby's safer in the center. So I think it makes it a little nicer and safer.
Yeah.
Now the kit that we're gonna have in the bottom in the description below literally comes with two. So if you have multiple cars, obviously you can put this in another car.
Or you can double it, right?
I could double it,
Yeah.
so when he's throwing a baseball at me.
No, I meant for your car.
When we hit that, when we hit
Nah,
the 200.
you're using the one.
When we hit the 200 like button. Yeah. So anyway. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. So yeah, we'll put this in the other car. You guys don't need to really see that one, but it's pretty straight and simple. So anyway, guys, see you next time. Later.